Nude body found with gunshot wounds in Clarendon. Man held trying to bring contraband into Lockup in Portmore. Man held after cops seize firearm and over $200,000 in Clarendon raid. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The nude body of a man was found at Capture Land, an area of Newtown in Hayes, Clarendon on Saturday morning. He has been identified as 59-year-old Roy Freeman Goldburn, otherwise called Blacks, a resident from the community. Police believe Freeman was killed between 8:30 on Friday evening and 10:30 on Saturday morning. It is reported that residents heard loud explosions about 8:30 Friday night. Police stated that around 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, a miner went to get water from a nearby community standpipe when the body was discovered. The police were summoned and found the body lying face down near a standpipe with what appears to be gunshot wounds to the upper section. The body was positively identified and later removed to the morgue. A man is now in custody at the Greater Portmore Police Station lockups after he attempted to introduce contraband into the facility on Saturday. Reports are that a team of police carried out their regular patrol of the compound at about 2 a.m. when they accosted a man wearing a black shirt and pants, wearing a mask and red sneakers. He was caught after leaping the fence to the back of the facility with a bag containing 7 cell phones, 5 phone chargers, several boxes of cigarettes, and a parcel containing ganja, tobacco, lighter, razor blades, electrical cords, and headphones. This arrest comes a few days after the police conducted major search operations at the facility. The police have since reviewed the facility's security arrangements and introduced new measures. In the meantime, the man is expected to be charged. A team of officers assigned to the Clarendon Division seized a firearm and several rounds of ammunition during a snap raid at Curator Hill May Pen in the parish on Saturday, March 11. Reports are that at about 6 a.m., lawmen were on an operation when a premises was searched. A P80 9mm semi-auto pistol with a magazine containing 17 9mm rounds was found along with the sum of monies amounting to $284,900. One man was arrested in relation to the seizure. Investigations are still ongoing.